Yeah, so I am working on my own sound font, and I'm literally making all the sounds with my mouth and different tubes and changing pitches. The Collector's Outpost. Be safe and kind out there in the world.